everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen, where I make delicious food with minimal effort because, let's face it, I'm a lazy chef. Today, we're diving into the Lazy Chef's Guide to Vegan Meal Prep. If I can do it, so can you. First things first, let's talk ingredients. We're going vegan today, but don't worry, I've got some amazing products from brands that are not only ethical, but also make our lives so much easier. Let's get started. Step 1. Get yourself some pre-washed organic mixed greens. I'm using Earthbound Farms Organic Spring Mix. It's clean, fresh, and ready to go. No washing, no fuss. Just open the bag and boom, salad base. Next up, protein. I love using chickpeas. They're versatile and so easy to prepare. I'm using Eden Foods organic chickpeas. They're BPA-free and sourced ethically. Drain and rinse these bad boys, and you've got your protein sorted. For veggies, I always go for pre-cut options. Taylor Farms has an amazing selection. Today, I'm using their stir-fry mix. It's already chopped and ready to cook. I mean, why spend time chopping when you could be binge-watching your favorite show? Let's not forget tofu. I'm using Hodo Foods organic tofu. It's non-GMO and absolutely delicious. No need to press it, just cut it into cubes, and it's ready for whatever you're making. Stir-fry, salads, or even a quick snack. Dressing is key. I'm obsessed with Primal Kitchen's Green Goddess dressing. It's dairy-free, vegan, and packed with flavor. Just drizzle it over your salad or veggies, and you're good to go. All right, let's put this all together. Mixed greens, chickpeas, pre-cut veggies, tofu, and a generous drizzle of dressing. Toss it all together, and you've got a meal that's not only healthy, but also ridiculously easy to make. That's so good. And the best part? It took me less than 10 minutes to prepare. Lazy Chef approved. For meal prep, I use these Prep Naturals glass meal prep containers. They're durable, eco-friendly, and perfect for keeping your food fresh. Just portion out your meals, pop them in the fridge, and you're set for the week. There you have it, folks. A week's worth of vegan meals prepped in no time. Thanks to these amazing brands, meal prep doesn't have to be a chore. Remember, it's all about making your life easier while eating healthy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Lazy Chef tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments your favorite vegan meal prep hacks. Until next time, happy cooking, or not cooking. And a huge shout out to Earthbound Farm, Eden Foods, Taylor Farms, Hodo Foods, Primal Kitchen, and Prep Naturals for making lazy cooking possible. See you next time.